Alright guys, the Wah Gwan Tours were in the place. It was a free shot. It was a shot. We only got limited shots, right? The bottle didn't go very far. I think he nicked a little bit. He nicked up, didn't he? He picked up himself. He picked up, yeah. He's going to make more. But anyway guys, who wants a shot? There's a shot here. Everyone have a shot if you want one. Cheers guys. You want a shot? Guys, this way, let's get in there, come on. You want a shot guys, no? All good, all good. Come on guys, have a shot. You want a shot? Have a shot, come on. Right, if I did it, it's not three or four then. Three or then you have a bar. What's the shot? Guys, what's the shot? Anyone take a shot? Scarface, Rosemary, running back. What is it? Guys? 8,000 people in London, 8,000 people on the rack, and I'm just giving the end of the fight. Guys, we're going to make that everything. Anyone want the shot? Shot? Pretty women hit the hookah. Get the Wah Gwan Tours. Take a shot, take a shot, come on. Okay, Wah Gwan Tours, yeah? No problem. I've got 2 shots left, 40 shots. We've got 2 left. Hey! Say that everyone. Wah Gwan Tours, we have 1 more night, yeah? Come on, please, my place to be. Alright, I thought it was over, but it's not over. You got more. Shot. Yeah, take a shot, it's a free. Take a shot. Good shot. It's one, Wah Gwan Tours. Take a shot. Pick up. Pick up, yeah? Take one, come on. No, you can't. That's not very nice, is it? Hey, that's really nice. Hey. I mean, lads, if you got a pass, start to Wah Gwan Tours. Hey. Don't touch it. Everyone good? Come on, we're on this side. Shot. It's for free. Come on, take a shot. It's free. For free, for me. For you. Yeah? If you want to go with Wah Gwan Tours, then you can everyone a shot in this time. It was not us, yeah? Pick up yourself. That's what we do. Travel all around Europe, all around the world. We're out here loving toys, everybody. If you're not following us on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, please do, please follow us. Well, we've got 3 more on this one. I don't know if we've got 4, but it was a shot. What is it? Vodka. You can't slip it in like drink it. That's your
gonna dance on the bar.
Shake it up. Come it up. Party, party. Don't stop party this night. If you're a party, every party night, another crazy night. Everybody, we know the score. Yeah, engagement, engagement.
Herkes işine baksın lütfen. Kimse işini bırakmasın.
Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Come on, DJ, do it, DJ Natal, DJ Godo. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands in the air.
İzle.
My brother Ali. DJ guys, DJ Natal, DJ Dodo.